Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can trim a video in Inshot app. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Inshot. I'm going to open it. So as you can see now, we have to select the video option. So after clicking on the video, as you can see, so these are the recent projects whom on we have worked. I'm going to click on the new, and after that we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this video, so I'm going to choose it, and then simply we have to hit the right, and the video will be imported. So as you can see, the video is here. Now if you want to trim the video using a split option, you can also do that. As you can see, the video will be different and the cut will be made. And now simply we have to use the peri cut. For trimming a video, you have to use the peri cut. As you can see now, you have to choose the ending point. Now as you can see now, we have to choose the ending point, that video should be end, and after that we have to choose the starting point. So we have to mention that, for example, I want that video should be started from here and should be ended from here. So now simply after doing that, simply we have to hit the right, and the video will be trimmed. So as you can see, the video is trimmed. Now you can use it as per your need. So in this way you can trim a video in Inshot app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.